Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You might hear my dog and my daughter walking around. She's playing with coins just a few feet away from me, so sorry about that. Today I went ahead and used this Matrix palette and I did some graphic kind of like alternative makeup. I saw a girl on Pinterest with this makeup and I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to try it. Yesterday I attempted this and the eyeliner that I was using started to dry out, so this side ended up being way bigger and just, to me, it was a mess, so I wanted to redo it today. I did use one of my eyeshadow guards and I cut out the shape so that it would be a little bit easier to get it to, you know, look correct. You know what I mean? I think I did put this a little too far in. It should have gone out just a little bit, but it's okay. It looks pretty good. I'm excited with it. And yeah. Another thing that I did over the weekend was I made this like sherbet set of dreadlock extensions. They're really long, so I'm having a hard time getting them all in the frame. But yeah, so these are like a sherbet set. I still need to decorate them, but I think that they are so pretty. I'm definitely gonna save one to use in my hair for like a pop of color because I think it'd be really neat. But yeah, I think that these are just so stinking cool. I am currently working on a request from a girl on Instagram. She wants brown, copper, and blonde. So I'm working on those right now, hoping to get them done this week. And then I also made a couple new hair wraps and some like gray dreadlock extensions, but I had actually just sealed them today, so they're hanging up drying right now. All those fun things aside, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, and just keep watching. was it? What do you think? Do you think you're gonna try and recreate this? I thought it was so cool. It really wasn't that difficult. I did just have to use the little stencils for the bottom design so that they'd be the same size. I do need to use this palette again because I really, really like it, and I only used like 3 shades out of it. This palette is just so stinking cute. I love it so much. Thank you again, Madeline, for sending me this. If you do have any questions about the dreadlock extensions or accent sets that I'm making, feel free to message me on Instagram to get more information. I will have a couple pictures coming up soon where people will actually be wearing the sets, so just keep an eye out for that if you do follow me on Instagram. With all that being said, I know I've been talking really quiet, but my husband is working in his office just like 10 feet away, so I'm trying not to be super loud because I can hear him on a conference call right now. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. As always, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe so that you can see future videos I'll be posting throughout the week here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.